Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rachel J, back to you with another Monday video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my beauty secrets, pretty much in routine form. I'm going to show you what I do after I take a shower to my skin and my hair, just to get it glowing and looking nice. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's get right into this video. Okay guys, first things first, I'm going to be removing any excess makeup. So I'm going to be taking my Burt's Bees facial cleanser wipes, and these are in the strawberry watermelon flavor. I love these wipes because they don't leave your skin dry like wipes tend to do. And next, since I pretty much want to open my pores and hydrate my face, I'm going to of course take my Badescu Camomile and Lavender facial spray. I also put it in my hair because it hydrates your hair and even helps with split ends. And I call this step deep conditioning the face. We're going to be using the Cerave facial cleansing foaming wash. I love this facial cleanser. If you guys have ever seen any of my skincare routines before, I stay using this stuff. I love it. It's amazing for any type of skin type. I have combination skin, which means my skin tends to be dry or oily at any given time, so it does work for any skin type.
Of your own medicine.
Okay, this fourth step is not a step that you do every day, but it is something you should do once a week, and this is my facial scrub by Lulu Naturals. This stuff literally smells amazing. This is in the strawberry body scrub. You can literally put this on any part of your body, and it leaves your body feeling completely like smooth, like a baby's bottom. I promise you, you will not regret it. I will leave the link below for all of these products. And of course, we cannot forget the lips, and I'm going to use the same towel I used before just to get the excess scrub off my face. I like to remove it with a warm, damp towel just because I feel like that works better. And since my pores are still open, I'm going to hydrate my face again. And you guys, if you have watched any of my skincare routines before, you guys know I love this Jamaican castor oil. It is amazing for your skin and promotes hair growth, so you have to keep it in your eyebrows, girls. So my next product I'm going to be using is the honey butter, and this is by Lulu Naturals as well. And I always like to put this on the ends of my hair, and yes ladies, you can put this in your weave, as you can see me doing. I love to put this in my hair, in the ends of my hair, after I wash and condition my hair, even after I wash it too, just to keep it detangled and keep it nice and soft, as you can see. And the next product I'm using by Lulu Naturals is the Sweet Lady Creole body butter, and this one smells amazing. I love this stuff. It's kind of a different texture than the honey butter. It's more of a harder consistency. I put this on my face every day after I wash my face. It makes my face feel amazing and moisturized. And of course, all of the Lulu Naturals are made from all organic products, so you know that's a steal. And that's it for my skin routine. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. All of the products will be down below. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you on Monday.